Laser from SodaHead.
Hi, it's actually Jason Pfeffer.
Oh, sorry. Okay, Jason Pfeffer from SodaHead.
So here's SodaHead. Oops, I got to click on this thing here. There we go. So SodaHead, first I want to say thank you for having us here. This is a great opportunity. This is our coming out party. We've just launched recently, about 2 months ago. We kind of took the shields off, but we haven't told the world about us. So this is our chance to tell everybody what is SodaHead. So SodaHead is old school polling with new school Web 2.0, making it social. So everybody says, okay, well, I want to ask a question of people. Here's my choices. I want to get their opinion back. Done. That's pretty simple. Polling's been around for thousands of years, and you know it's there. But it's still there because people love to poll and they love to vote. But when you add the social Web 2.0 aspect to it, you can do a lot more. User-generated content of creating polls, creating the answers, pictures and videos for each answer, being able to share the poll with your friends, share it with strangers, put it out on the network, being able to comment on the poll. So you're not just answering the question, but you're answering it with your opinion so that you can express yourself. And in your answer, you can embed a YouTube video, you can put a widget in there, you can put pictures in there, where it's not limited by yes, no, A, B, C, D. You really get to express yourself in it. And what we capture with polling is aggregate data, but with your comment and the individual personalization, you get the individual perspective on something. So you mash those two things up. Here's our homepage. You can look at that. So Paris Hilton, you know, she's going to jail. She says she found God in jail. Do you believe her? And here's some fun answers. You get to add your comment there. Some other in the community issues going on. So here's some of the things that we get to offer people. And one of the really, I reflect back, I helped create MySpace in 2003. And I reflect back at one of the biggest applications people put on their MySpace profiles. And that was polls. And they would ask a question, what do you think of this? And you would vote, and it was gone. Woof, off into the ether. Whoop-de-doo. The number went from 1 to 2. You know, how social is that? Yet people did it on their MySpace profiles. And I said, well, you know, hey, what if we captured that data, put it onto your profile? And so here I'll show you examples of some profiles that we have. I can capture that vote, and now I could look at your vote for any number of polls that you voted on. You can express yourself, because everybody loves to express themselves, right? And you look at MySpace and yeah, 200 million people expressing themselves, and maybe we don't want to see it, but it's there. So here people want to express themselves, and they can, and more than just a yes-no vote, but with comments, with opinions, with pictures, with videos, and then they have a profile history of all the votes that they've done and all the polls that they've created. And what you get when you start connecting that stuff is people connecting through polls and through answers and through opinions. So instead of on MySpace where you're just connecting through friends of friends and friends, you're actually getting to learn about people. You're getting to figure out, oh, this guy voted on Paris Hilton going to jail. He also voted on a related poll, Sopranos ending, whether he liked it or didn't, which led to the Hillary Clinton campaign song being revealed through the Sopranos ending. Was that a good use of presidential campaigning or not, which leads to Obama versus Hillary. Who do you want to pick in the upcoming election? And then you get to see, as the audience, you get to see that data and say, hey, I can see the people that thought Hillary's tactic was unpresidential are also voting for Obama. And of the people that are voting for Obama, they're voting for him over Rudy by 10 to 1, whatever it is. So you get to connect all that data, so it's a great place to go as a voyeur, that you want to see what are people thinking about today's hottest issues. So you could say, Paris Hilton, Sopranos ending, the Hillary Clinton campaign song, go vote on it. Here's some, actually people put up on our site some alternative songs from YouTube, and you could vote on people who weren't quite friendly or fond of Hillary Clinton. Let's see, here we got this, and then we got the homepage of opinions, because now you have all these opinions of users, and you take our widget, which is the best polling widget in the planet, and you put that widget out on your homepage, and now you're syndicating the data back and forth between SodaHead, which is a vibrant community, and your vibrant community that you've got as well. And now let me quickly run to the best polling widget in the planet right here, and click on it and show you a demo of it. So you can see there's the question the user asked. They added a picture. There's the user's name. Here's some of the answers. You want to see some details because boom, there's a video, picture of the answers. You can go scroll through, see which one you want to vote on. and you can have, there's a lot of space for text, so you can have lengthy answers, lots of pictures. There's the answer I want to do. I'm going to add my comment to it so you could really see, why did I vote this way? We might disagree, we might agree on the answer, but disagree on the reason why. And the nickname, my username, my account. So now you can go see my comment attached to my profile on any issues, and it might tie you back to something else that you're interested in, and you get to see more people's opinions on that issue. My clock's up, so I'm going to say thank you very much, and SodaHead.com.